I'm sitting outside here to show you my new Dynamax Race Bullets. But I'm not 100% sure I want to go for it. I want you guys to listen. And what I'll do is, if I put them on, I'm going to do, this before and after so you can hear the difference. But I have the MFERs on it, and I think it sounds pretty good. So here's a cold start, just to give you a little reference. I'm sitting on the steps here, the top step at the stoop, and I back my car. This is the way I'd sit most of the time, so let's just give it a... So I'm doing a little talking here right now. That's the stock exhaust. The MFER is holding the baffles open. But to me, that sounds pretty beefy right there. And I don't know if I want to have any kind of raspiness sound. I think I'm going to let this thing idle down here a little bit, and then I'll give it a couple revs. Because I don't know what my car sounds like back here, so this is new for me. I don't laugh, I look like a German here with my Crocs, my slippers. I mean my Crocs with socks. Probably wondering what the hell I'm doing.